How you can actually play hard to get. It is not actually that hard. Just try to, for a while, be that beautiful girl at a party. Everyone is approaching her with the same approach. You're beautiful, you're hot, how are you? You are the most beautiful girl in a party. She's heard this many, many times. What you want to do is make you hard to get, not her. You're not proving yourself to her. She has to prove herself to you, actually. How will you achieve that? Just give her the impression that you're actually not that into her. And that you can do by a simple hair color. You're gonna, use the conversation opener we've talked about before, and then you can casually say within conversation about you, about her, well, I've always been dating brunettes so far, if she's blonde. And that will give her an impression that you are not into blondes and that you want to be really just friends with her. Or you can actually say out loud that you should be like great friends. Oh wow, you seem like such a nice person. We would be great friends. No one wants to be friend zoned. The girl's gonna try to prove herself to be sexy, to be just, she will try to actually get you. She will be the one hitting on you because she will try to not be that blonde girl you don't like or the friend you do like. She will try to be the sexy beast she was before. The best way how to impress and how to play hard to get is actually ending the conversation before the conversation actually goes downhill, because after some time you might get bored. Pick the moment when the conversation is the most interesting. You are talking about her hobbies, your hobbies, you're laughing, everything is going great, and then suddenly you will say, oh wow, great talking to you, but I have to get back to my friends, so yeah, have a nice evening, bye. And you're just gonna walk away. You will end the conversation on the peak. And what this will achieve, she will have the greatest impression of you in her brain, in her mind, all the time. And she's gonna be just thinking about the great guy she just met, and he just left her there. Like you weren't approaching, you weren't asking for number, you weren't needy. You are the one hard to get, and she's gonna be the one observing you from now on, just looking for you with her eyes. But you will just go have a talk with your friends. You will even approach some other girls, because what you definitely not want is approaching only one girl on a party, because it might happen that you're gonna get stuck with her. You're gonna just stick with this one girl. You're gonna get too attached, and if it's not gonna work out, you just might even feel depressed. But to avoid this, just approach more girl. It's gonna make you even more look even more appealing if you're gonna have like girls around you and you're gonna talk to several girls. Plus you're gonna learn more, because you're gonna have several opinions, several reactions that will help you to actually master the art of dating. And always end the conversation on the peak and then just move on. The girls will come to you later. They will literally be looking, I've seen this many times actually, they will be literally looking for you in the crowd. Let the other dudes hit on the girl. They will be probably drunk, they do not know how to approach properly because they haven't watched this course, and they will be just messing things up, and she will be looking for the guy she had great time with, and that's gonna be you. So even let other dudes to hit on her, because even more she's gonna want you after that. And if you're gonna see her somewhere that with some dude that's actually hitting on her and she looks uncomfortable, which she's probably gonna look like, make the eye contact. Just look at her. She will very probably be just looking for you with her eyes. And when there is the eye contact, it's on. Just go there, save her, and she's all over you.